that shine on me, the light that shine on me. He is a secret soldier with pieces inside broken. He hides in his own darkness. His fire has no strength. And when my body's on when he holds me tight, he chases all my shadows, and I burn so bright. Skin to skin, skin to skin. Cold wind blowing, no cold wind blowing. Skin to skin, skin to skin. The light that shine on me, the light that shine on me, entered inside of me. Eyes to
Recap after a bit of travel news with Sid though. How are the roads looking, Sid?
The roads are still looking quiet on this Sunday morning. But if you do intend on travelling between Ely and Bury St Edmunds either today or tomorrow, there are buses in place to do this journey. There are currently engineering works underway. The rest of the county's trains are running to time. The A12, A14 and A140 are looking good at this time, but on the roadworks front there are temporary lights on the A143 Haverhill Road at Anne Suckling Road, and in Beccles, Queen Elizabeth Drive is closed in both directions from Oak Lane to Coney Hill. If you see or know of anything else on the roads or tracks and you can update us, make sure it's safe to do so first and then give us a call on 0800 141 2121.
Thanks very much, Sid.
I'm Angel Joseph. Every Saturday from 8, BBC Music Introducing in Suffolk brings you the best and latest unsigned music.
she cannot see what I hide in me. I can't be strong.